Well, good morning, YouTube, and my 236 subscribers. I'm up a couple. Thank you. Anyway, this is Williams, Philippines, and it's about 4, coming up on 4:30 a.m. on Wednesday, December 18th, 2024. Boy, having one of them days. Had somebody call me saying they were my boss. Like I don't know my boss's voice. And idiot trying to tell me he's my boss. Yeah. I can't say what I said to him here. Well, I can, but yeah, I try not to go there. I do cuss on occasion, but not for here mostly. But yeah, some days. Anyway, I've been using a mouse with this Chewy that I got from Chewy, and well, it's been acting up. Finally, it stopped doing what it was supposed to do pretty much completely. So I broke it open and tried to get the battery out, but in breaking it open, I dented the battery. Not good. And then I realized, why am I wanting a battery? I'm not trying to collect things. I got to get rid of them. So I threw the whole thing in the trash can, battery and all. Even though it would have been nice to have had an extra battery that I could have used for a different one, because it is, a rechargeable battery. But it is what it is. Yeah. But now I need a mouse again. Yeah. But of course, what did I do? I saved the dongle. And I probably should just throw it, but I'm wondering if it will work with a different one, and I'm going to go test that when I get to the house. Because you never know when you might need another dongle, because, well, I've broke them before. Yeah, that just happens. Anyway, I did manage to get the laundry done. Confirmed the price, got the mechanic lined out. I'll be there about 10 something, and yeah, I'm hoping that it can be done fairly fast, because I got today as a long day and got tomorrow as I get to go and deal with windshield tomorrow. Today I deal with the timing issue, spark plugs, and he said he's gonna swap out the valve cover gasket also. But all told, yeah, somewhere under $250 no matter what. So yay, I'm okay with that. But yeah, it is what it is. And then let's see, what else was there? Did manage to get get to the grocery store and buy a few things. And yeah, I found a dollar store can be useful. Although they're now $1.25, they can be fairly useful. And I found some antiseptic wipes that were reasonably priced, $1.25. So yay, be using those on the flight over. Never hurts to have them. And I went and got dry hands. I wash dishes and they get pretty dry. So, and I've got cracks in the corners and the cuticle area things. So I'm going to try some lotion that tries to keep it moist. because these things are like sandpaper. Not good. But yeah, it is what it is. Trying to maintain and take care of myself better. Used to, I didn't really worry about it. I was working in the garden on a regular basis, and pretty much they were always destroyed. Working as a frame carpenter, the only reason I put lotion on them was to keep them from cracking so bad that they bled. Because, oh yeah, working outside, wood, mud, whatever. Yeah. But having come from outside to working inside, yeah, I didn't really pay much attention to it, and just the fact that I kept them dry because of washing dishes, just kind of didn't pay much attention to it. And then somebody pointed them out that my hands were like sandpaper. Okay. Yeah. Try to figure out how to become civilized again. Not have sandpaper for hands. And since I'm retiring and I'm not going to have that problem anymore, I'm going to try to get them fixed by working on them. Why does it always seem like there's so much more to do? If I'm not working on it between here and here, I'm having to work on these and everything else. It's okay though. Get this car taken care of today and tomorrow. My car hopefully will be out of the picture for having to deal with headaches. Yeah. And that's a good thing. Let's see, what else was there? I don't remember. I had a third thing I'd thought of and was going to say something about. Oh well. Life goes on. Sometimes without that stray thought that you had. Apparently it wasn't important enough. But yeah, I mean, I could stress over it, but why? Don't need the stress. Don't need the headaches. There's no need to be stressing over anything. Yeah, see, too many people do that. Think that things outside of them, what other people think of you is not important unless they're actually important in your life. So why let somebody who isn't important in your life have, any value in your thought process? I mean, it's a question of, do you value their opinion enough to give them space in your head? Same thing with people that irritate you. Why are you renting them space in your head? I mean, seriously. And I mean, if I don't know a person well enough to have them have value to me, pretty much the most they're going to get is you're done. Kind of like that telemarketer that tried to tell me he was my boss. Wasn't worth it. I enjoyed my moment of cussing him out and hung up. And yeah, because, well, it was actually nice to tell him what I thought of him. And I hope he takes my suggestion. Yeah, go penless, please. It is what it is. But yeah, if somebody hasn't earned value with you, why let them have space in your head? And even on the ones that have earned value with you, always question it. You know, question what it is they're trying to say and judge it real fast and quick and make a decision. Does it have value or not? And then get rid of it if it don't. So, somebody I know mentioned that my hands were like sandpaper. I questioned it for a minute and said, okay, valid. Might be because might be why I'm trying to file back my nails, since I'm actually trying to have nails instead of cutting them so short that they're, not there. I'm trying to actually let them grow out and not be hulled out. And thus, I need to start using file. And because I'm using a file, I've started noticing that I scratch myself. I need to pay attention to that. Haven't had to worry about it because usually I don't have nails to scratch myself with. Now I have nails that can scratch myself. Anyway, it is what it is. So I try to keep the three-ring circus going and figure out how to become a little more civilized again. Some ways that's fun, some ways that's funnier. Some days I really do question why. Everything is vanity. Everything we do is our, trying to throw value and thoughts and energy into something that has no value. It's all vain. That's why I work between here, and there. Between my left ear, my right ear, God, my chest, or my heart, my head, and my God. Past that, I don't really worry about much anymore. Because most of it doesn't have value and most of it's just vanity. Isn't giving somebody value that they haven't earned just you giving them space in your mind? And giving them space in your mind, why are you vain enough to think that they deserve it? They haven't earned it, yet you're valuing their opinion of a total stranger. Why? I just don't get that. Validation from other people. I don't really worry about it much. Part of me wants to have, subscribers here. Thank you for the 236 that I have. But whether I have a bunch or not really doesn't matter to me. It'd be nice to get monetized, but the few of them that I know in here that I've tried to carry on conversations, I try to keep track of, and hey, when you guys come by, I try to talk to you. Leave a message in the comments and I'll comment. A couple of emails that have come in that I responded to. A couple of them came in, got tossed right out on their backside. Sorry, I don't do racist asshole stuff. I only believe in one race on this planet, and it's called human. Yeah. If you want to devalue yourself by saying you're something less, go ahead. It's your choice, your decision, but don't expect me to value you the same way. Because, it's a choice, and how you see yourself is your choice. But, there's only one race on this planet, and it's human. So please, understand, I'm going to see you as human. Now, am I going to go out of my way to, hurt you? Nope. As a human, you deserve to not be attacked. So, I try not to go there. Anyway, hope you've had a blessed day, a good week. This is Williams, Philippines. Fish is out.